A brand new tablet from Honor Pad 9. I'm currently using it on my desk as well as for my workflow. So I have got a couple of points. Upgraded with more features, competition with more premium models, affordable price, comes with a Bluetooth keyboard, feels like a mini laptop using it. You are going to find out who's this device really for and how does it really work for your workflow as well as your entertainments. And effective to use some hidden features, tips and tricks as well throughout this video. Welcome back to FreeBuy Studio. Let's begin. Tip number one, copying the web page text. Very simple. Touch it, select it, drag it to the window where you want to paste the text. Let me just tell you really quick, if you are using this laptop for entertainment, guys, I'm telling you, very crisp, very clear display and good audio. You will watch a lot of Netflix, YouTube, Disney, many things, and also gameplay also awesome in this tablet and also in the display. It has a very smooth eye protection display with 120 Hz refresh rate, so you don't need to get a cucumber to cool down your eyes. Tip number 2. Start a screen recorder. Bend your two fingers, knock the screen. The recording started. And a 2.5K display, big screen, 12.1 inch. The display is very clear and crisp. You are definitely going to enjoy the resolution on the Honor Pad 9. Uniform bezels all the way around with the 80MP front-facing camera in the horizontal edge. It's an IPS LCD display with 1 billion colors. 500 nits brightness, it's kind of average when we are viewing in the bright environment. It comes with the resolution of 1600 into 2560 pixels and anti-glare glass display. Tip number 2, screenshots. 3 ways. 3 finger, screenshot, taken. There is no fingerprint sensor, but you can unlock with passcode or smart lock. Aluminum frame around the tablet and in the back also aluminum. Looks great and comes with the weight of 550 gram. It's very comfortable to carry for work or when we are playing games. And the bottom Type-C port and a speaker grills in the both sides. It comes with 8 total speakers, guys. So if you are blocking the speakers when you are playing games, the bottom speaker will give you a good sound. Tip number 4. Knock and put S. Scrolling and capturing the screenshot. Cool. Single knock, put S. It is taking the full page, web page screenshot. You can share it or save it, anything you can do. Cool. On the top there is a power switch and a volume rockers. It's a fairly large display. It helps multitasking, very simple guys. Dual screen capability, that also working very fine. The speakers, as I mentioned, there is a 80 speakers. You will enjoy the surround sound with Honor Histon stereo. It's not a Dolby or anything, it comes with Honor Histon stereo, but the sound's also loud and clear guys. Very loud, I can say it is very loud. You can enjoy watching movies and playing games and all. And there is some sound style to choose by default. If you're watching a movie or playing a game or in the normal music kind of things, some predefined styles are there. You can choose based on your requirement. The reviewing tablet has an inbuilt storage of 256 GB. So you can download a lot of movies, songs. So you will have a lot of entertainment on the go. Sadly, no expandable storage. It has a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. That's a pretty good job. Multitasking is a breeze. With 8 GB physical plus 8 GB Honor RAM Turbo, it's doing a fantastic job. With the big display, flicking through applications with ease. And Android 13 out of the box with Magic OS 7.2. There are some special features in this Magic OS. I will share you. Also, you can open any Google application as well. Once they don't have any good terms, but now they are including all the Google application as well. So it is better to note it. Tip number 5. The open window, certain content, certain text. Just single knock in the tab, then circle it or square it however you need it. That's all. It's done. Wi-Fi connectivity is there, Bluetooth 5.1 is there, connectivity is very stable and there is no any drop we experienced throughout our review. This one you cannot insert any SIM card. If you want to call activities, things like that, then you have to buy a 5G variant. So this one only Wi-Fi variant, you cannot insert a SIM. Tip number 6. You can use a stylus pen with this. This tablet didn't come with the stylus. If you want, you have to buy one separately. I'm having a kid's a kind of pen. I'm trying with that. How cool it is. Nice. Split screen, you can work two different pages simultaneously. It's very simple. The improved software helps to do two screening view. Every window you open, there is a slight bar at middle of the window. So you can just drag it instantly to activate the dual screen mode. Also, you can shift things around anywhere you like. So it's very easy to do two things at the same time. Tip number 7. Better sleep with night display. Go to settings, display brightness, eye comfort and sleep. Enable circadian night display. Once enabled, it will intelligently adjust the screen color temperature according to sunrise and sunset timings. Get a cool sleep. Wow. There is a side panel to view all the apps, and multitask is very simple. You can switch on or off the dual screen mode in the settings as well. The package comes with a Bluetooth keyboard. There is a charging port in the right and lock switch. The magnetic strongly hold the tablet, and it has a 5-row keys. It's big and you will get comfortable typing experience. The sound of typing is very soft, guys. You will not disturb anyone when you are typing or doing works in your bedtimes. The placement of the tablet with viewing 60-degree angle is comfortable for work or play. Tip number 9. You can share smartwatches or any other Bluetooth enabled devices without their original applications. You can just simply connect it with this battery, 8300 mAh battery with 35 watt fast charger, guys. It will easily come with one day. And also don't worry, it will be charging with 1.5 hours. Tip number 10. You can make a safe zone for your files, videos, any datas. You can protect with password. Rear camera 13MP with 4K video capability. All the videos you can shoot with 30 frames per second only. You can shoot HD video 1080p or 720p as well. You can enable HDR mode, time lapse, AI mode for photos. Some few beauty filters also available in the camera mode. Not much fancy in the camera division. Front facing camera is very good. It's 8MP shooter. It is good for online chats, meetings, etc. Tips number 11. Extract text from my image file. Just above the menu, there is a AI lens icon. Touch it and select the text which you want to copy. Then just drag it to the notepad or wherever you want. Voila, finished. Very simple. How cool it is, right? Any text you can copy from any images. Fantastic. It's good for gaming and there is not much heat felt while playing games for more than 30 minutes, guys. There is no lag also we felt, and the touch performance is very good. And you can enjoy playing games hours and hours. The sound quality is superb. Tip number 12. Minimize the applications showing a small icon in the corner of the tab. You just touch it, it will come out. Movies. Very clear, crisp, colorful display with good audio quality. You can enjoy Netflix, YouTube contents and home videos. Very good movie experience you will get with this tablet. Tip number 13. Go back to previous screen. Recent applications. Switch over very quickly, very easily. Enable navigation dock. Touch the button. Swipe left or right to switch over applications. So we come to an end of this video. So how is the device? If you are looking a solid performing tablet for work or entertainment or gaming, and you don't have very big budget to achieve this all, then this is the tablet for you guys. You are not compromising much. You are compromising a bit, but not much. But it is worth to buy and consider for your purchase. And also this one don't have a 3.5mm jack, and also no fingerprint sensor, and there is no any SIM card slot, and you cannot expand any storage also. Those are the small drawbacks. If it is not bother you, this is one of the best device I can say, by color wise, rate wise, convenient wise, one of the best. So if you like this video, share, like, comment, also subscribe. Click the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.